Check it out. Out here working on Wes's car again. Hi. Yeah. Laundry list of things to do. Got a box full of stuff. You can see it there, I guess. But yeah. What are we doing, Wes? Cutting lines and running them?
Yes, for an oil cooler and stuff.
Oil cooler.
Oil.
So an oil cooler. Try to mount that. Cut some lines. I think you went overkill on this fuel lines.
They're just dash 8 AN.
How much fuel are you trying to run?
Like 800 liters per hour.
Seriously?
Yes. Is that a bad thing?
Liters of what? Nitro meth?
Yes.
Because nitro meth is for pussies.
What did you say?
I said only pussies run nitro meth.
If I go with bigger injectors eventually, I might end up running the 85. Getting that 550 wheel horsepower.
2 miles to the gallon.
85?
Corn fuel.
Yeah, corn fuel.
Yeah.
Damn it. That's not the right size. That's freaking huge. Turbskis.
Oh God.
What?
You look
Yeah,
like an
look cool.
idiot. No, you don't. What are you doing?
So, for those of you that don't know, let me retry that. For those of you that don't know,
I'm leaving that in.
I bet you are.
Yeah, I will.
But anyways,
You just go put it back and pull it back out.
no, I'm gonna get an 8. It's the correct size. No, wait, it's a 6. 6. So
You're-
for those of you who don't know, AN fittings are all anodized aluminum, and if you use a crescent wrench, you're gonna fuck them up. So use these AN wrenches. They are also anodized aluminum, so that you won't fuck up your shit.
Cool product placement there.
You're welcome.
Too bad you don't actually own these.
Big shout out to Ryan Barber for letting me use them. Frogman Koki, however you want to say it. He's on Instagram. Follow him. I'm sure he wants them. He wants the followers.
Yeah, for his car he's never going to finish.
Look at that. Look, no scratches. Doop doop.
Fiberglass.
Or something.
So awkward.
I know, right? That's what I go for. Yeah.
Whoa.
You can wrap your hoses in this and they won't melt.
Probably still melt. I'm kidding.
I think it's rated to like 500 degrees.
You better put that gold sticky tape on there and then wrap it in that.
No,
and then
it's
wrap
even higher
gold
than that.
sticky tape around that.
It's like 1,000 degrees. Something like that.
1,000. So Wes had to go run to Lowe's to get some bolts and self-tapping screws or something like that so we can mount this intercooler or oil cooler up. So I'm going to take this bumper off while he's gone and we'll see what happens. So what's the game plan, Wes?
Well, I'm gonna bend that iron right there, and I'm gonna drill some holes in it. And then after I drill some holes in it, I'm gonna tap those holes. After I tap those holes, I'm gonna mount my angles to my oil cooler. After I mount them to my oil cooler, I'm gonna set it up there in their car.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna drill some holes in the car, and I'm gonna mount my oil cooler.
But yeah, we test fitted this earlier. We're gonna mount it in the fender well, probably 2 spots near the frame and one of those little brackets already there from the factory. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. But yeah, it clears the bumper, should be out of the way. Run the lines, I guess what, under the frame rail?
I'm gonna probably run my lines through here and then down under the frame rail. I'm gonna mount the cooler upside down, kinda. And
Yeah.
oh, that's gonna really suck.
Wow. It'll be easy to maintenance.
Well,
You can drain the cooler easy.
well, whenever I need to fill it,
Oh, that is gonna suck.
yeah,
No, just fill it through. Well,
I can like run the car until the thermostat opens, and then it'll all just flood into the cooler. But it's really supposed to
that's true.
just try those things.
Just pour some oil in and blow through the hose. Fill the cooler like that. You can blow really hard, can't you? Alright, well, we'll figure this out. So that's about where we're looking. Should still work the same way we had planned, though.
I'm just gonna leave this one angled that way and come over and join the lines. So about there.
Looks good, I like it.
That'll make it harder for my brackets.
Yeah.
What I could do?
Just put one here and angle down to here, and just make a little L bracket here.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do for that one. What I was gonna probably do is put an angle all the way across the.
I think 3 points would be good.
So what, one right here? Because this one's perfect.
Yeah, just one there. And then the other two would be to the frame, so it should be solid.
Yeah.
Works for me.
And then whoop, whoop. Yeah. You right. This one's gonna be weird still though. I got some pretty thick metal. I might have to cut it in half. In some spots.
Alright. Let's bend some stuff.
Yeah.
Check it out, we're done.
We are done.
Made all the brackets ourselves.
Yeah.
Out of this super cool like angle iron stuff. Not angle iron, just flat iron. Very
can do
precise, very sturdy.
Yes.
Shake, shake, shake. It doesn't shake.
Out of the way. Nice and cool.
Yeah. Even though it took way too long. Don't think we're gonna be able to run lines today. You need what? You need an AN crescent wrench.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I am going to make the lines,
Yeah.
but I can't tighten them down yet.
Don't know if I'm gonna be here for that, but maybe we get some of that. But yeah, as far as oil cooler goes, that's where she gonna be. There, next to the pretty full race intercooler.
It's dirty.
It is super dirty, but whatever. Function. Nice and gold. Good clearance between the wheel and the bumper actually has a nice cutout. Should run air straight to it, so.
Let's mock up the bumper.
Oh yeah, come get it.
Oh, fucking bolts are back in.
We're just mocking it up.
I know, they gotta be out of the way so I can mock it up. Bruh. What's that?
That bracket you pulled on earlier? Yeah. Like a glove. Want to trim anything?
Yes. It cleared on the bottom.
Looks like it. If not, it's like right under it.
Sagging. Oh, nice. It's right above it.
So yeah, 3 brackets. Worked out pretty good. And the M is actually right side up, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Should just painted it black to match your intercooler.
That'd be good. The way it is pretty nice.
Alright, guess we're making lines. Next, maybe? At least the length. The hands on. I don't know if y'all want to see that, but maybe we'll come back and show you the finished product. Hey Wes, are we done?
No.
Because somebody needs 2 more lines.
2 more fittings.
Fittings, whatever, for the 2 lines. Either way. Till next time, like,
Bye.
subscribe,
Bye.
something. Derpy faces.